3, 2, 1, and...
I'm Kayla. And I'm Angelina.
I'm Jalie. And I'm Jessica.
And you're watching The Sisterhood. This is our 4th video with Jalie and Jessica. And today, what are we going to be making?
Slime.
Slime. Oh gosh. And so here's our ingredients.
We've got multi-purpose solution, shaving foam, Elmer's glue, glitter it's optional, and then food coloring is optional as well. So
we're going to start off with the glue.
We're going to pour the entire bottles of glue. Now we're putting in the shaving foam. Now you definitely want to mix this together.
I'm creating a monster.
So now
Now we're adding in the activator.
See, it's starting to
It's a eye contact solution. If you'd like to see more slime videos, like, comment, and subscribe. I think that might be good.
it's so
Oh,
it's so the colors we're going for is...
I'm going to be doing blue with gold glitter, which is only gold.
I'm going to be doing purple.
I'm going to be doing red.
I'm going to do pink with glitter.
I'm going to do red with glitter.
Sticking to the paper, don't put it in your thing.
I
think it's gone.
Oh gosh. Hang on. I'm going to try to pause the video real quick, okay?
Jesse,
let's just come back when we're done eating it.
Struggle is real.
Yes, it is. Look. I'll get it.
You like that?
Is your favorite color?
We're back, and here is our slimes. This is mine. It's blue and green. It's supposed to be like earth, but then they combine too much, and I have some gold glitter in there, and then
like a I don't know, a coral kind of, sort of.
What would you call mine? Or cotton candy pink. I put red dye in it, but turned out pink.
And
I put glitter too.
Mine is a pretty purple with glitter.
It's okay.
I did this.
Got lots of air bubbles. used to be blue and green more mixed together, but oh well.
She already had shimmer powder on. No, I took it off.
I still saw somewhere later. Here, let's see. The girls are going to be having a contest on whose slime can stretch the farthest down. Okay, you ready, girls? I thought you guys were going to throw that at me. 1, 2, 3, go. I should have said ready, set, go. I think Jessie won. Because look, hers is still stretching.
Oh, we were supposed to watching The Sisterhood.
You should
Like, comment, and
subscribe.
Subscribe.
There's a
Yes. One more thing. If you don't subscribe, I don't know what happens next.
Julia, what is your message to the viewers? Don't judge a book by its cover. But Jalie, what's your message to the viewers?
So Angelina had a really big slime and Michaela had a little one. And so hers turned out really beautiful and hers turned out beautiful too. But my message is, you may be tiny, but you are mighty. My message is that a family is like slime. You have to have all the right ingredients to stick together and become one, and you have to stick together like the slime does.
And my message is, don't stop believing.
Whoa.
And what's your
My message is,
Who is this guy?
Hers is supposed to be the last one.
oh, sorry. Well,
We have one final message.
sorry. Okay, I got one final message.
If he's in the
If you play World of Tanks Blitz, contact us. Our clan is capital F, the number 2, and a capital K. Let us know. I'm the clan leader, and then my cousin AJ over there sitting down. He is the deputy leader. Let us know. We're trying to grow our clan. Thank you very much. And I'm just gonna trust fall. No, I'm not.
Jessie, I'm recording.
Oh no! Please don't. Oh.
What are you doing?
Oh my.
Is it still rolling?
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Oh my.
Where is she?
She's in the... I don't know where she's at. I think she's in there.
Oh gosh.
So this is our 4th episode with Jalie and Jessie.
Episode?
Why did I say episode? Wait, why is there glue on the top of my glue bottle? This doesn't make any sense.
So now. Oh wait, yeah, now. Okay. I can't feel my legs
Yeah.
because I'm squished. Okay, should we end the video and clean up? No. And put it in slow motion. No. Is it a video?
Yeah. Oh my. How long can you let yours stretch for, Jalie?
I don't know. Oh my god. Wait, like, comment, and subscribe. Or do you want to do it the other way now? Would you rather say like or subscribe? Like, subscribe. And. Okay. Like, comment. Okay. You can say like, comment, and subscribe. Let me think. I'll be like, you should like, like, comment,
You should
subscribe.
like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to
Oh,
like,
wait.
comment, or subscribe.
You should like, comment, and
Wait,
we'll be
like,
like,
comment, like, comment, and.
I don't know if they'll say and.
Will you say and? And. Okay, I'll tell you when to say and, okay? But then, well, Jessie, what will she do?
I was gonna say you should like,
Comment, and say and.
or we can all say and together, like and then Angela can be like, okay, subscribe. Angela and Angie get to do this, or something like that.
Oh,
No.
It's not even. Oh.
Our
you
annoying,
mean it?
my annoying
Oh, yeah.
brother. And here comes
you're
the
gonna
other
say
one.
you should check out our clan.
should I?
Hey,
Yeah.
where you going? You gotta get in here. Oh gosh.
This will get you like a bazillion
Oh
views.
no. Okay, ready?
Do you think you can see me?
So wait, Jack, what are you gonna do?
I'm just gonna, when you guys are done, I'm just gonna go like this and do
Oh gosh.
Got a plan.
You should.
Like, subscribe. Wait, we're not done. Jack, we're not done. Wait, do I say right? Like, you should.
You should.
Like, comment, and
subscribe! Yeah!
Oh my.
Recording right now?
Yeah. Oh gosh, bloopers. Oh my. Oh wait, it stopped recording a long time ago. I'm kidding. Oh no. I know he's gonna go like this.
No.
what does it mean?
Jack, where'd you go dance? Oh gosh.
What are you like stopping?
Oh no.
I'll hide behind the cactus.
He's hiding.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, and action.
You should. What? Redo editing.
Alright, get in the mood.
Okay, this last one. Everybody.
You guys are making me hurt and cry. 1.
Don't judge it. There's gonna be a second one.
What? Is that your message?
Said I farted.
You cut that out.
Well, here's the first message. I farted. By Johnny.
Alright, I think we gotta like go like.
Yeah.
Okay. Think what we gotta do.
We already know what we're doing.
Alright,